Hello folks, this is Steve, AB4L. I'm came back through Franklinville. I went the other way a few moments ago. And I saw something. I'm going to do something a little different. I don't have my other camera with me. We're looking at the fence on the left side of the road. We're looking at the fence on the left side of the road. There's no traffic behind me, and there's no traffic coming. Do you see that up on the fence on the barbed wire? Do you see that black thing? There's nobody behind me. Now we'll get it with the sun behind us. There's no traffic that way. There's no traffic that way. And what you see right there is the cable goes down into the ground. There's a bird up there, right? And then you see that up there. Now the cable came up from underground. This is fiber optic, Lumos, or somebody. Then if you look at the barbed wire, you see that the cable continues up there in the barbed wire. Do you see it? Do you see that the cable continues along the top of the fence? Now there's the old telephone thing. And then the cable comes off of that sign and goes up the pole and then goes across the open space to the junction. Look up, look up. See that big box up there? Didn't they do a great job? What do you think? Don't you think they did a great job? This is the museum, but what I'm showing you has nothing to do with them. And then the fiber optic continues up the hill that way. Ain't that terrific? Talk about a secure infrastructure. No cars coming. So that's the way, the cable. Now I'm going to turn around. I made videos about this, what was it, almost 2 years ago now? Let me turn around. No traffic either way. Okay, now I wanted to show you the big eggshell. It's a fiber optic junction and amplifier. Pretty sure there's an amplifier in there that joins two long distance pieces of fiber optic multi-fiber cable, and it goes across the river. Look to the left. Yes, it goes across the river up there. I got a speeder behind me. Don't crash into me. And you remember there used to be a lot of cable on the ground over here, and eventually somebody took it away. And this particular junction was important because the fiber that came across the river, you would think it went up further up the road, but in fact, I believe what it did is it crossed the road and climbed up here. And then I'll remind you that I showed you a video and I stopped and talked with a guy. There was a guy with a special truck parked more or less between those two mailboxes, fusing the cable I showed you that came across the river and over the road and up here to a cable that runs up here to US 64. just giving you a little tour, like 2 years down the road. Oh, Steve AB4 Now I think I got 2 motorcycles behind me. Let me run it a little bit. Yeah, I got 2 motorcycles behind me. Hang on. Hang on. I'm going to let them enjoy themselves. Oh, got it? I always allow the faster traffic to pass me. It's about 80 degrees, folks. If I had a motorcycle, I'd be out right now too. Warm, but no direct sun. Steve AB4 just smiling, saying, see you in 73.